Hello everyone, welcome to the detailed analysis and strategy session for NICL Assistant Mains Examination. In this video, I'll walk you through a comprehensive overview of the prelims cutoff and mains preparation strategy. So let's get started. As we all know, prelims was held on November 30th in 2 shifts. Now the question is, what will be the expected cutoff range and who should start preparing for mains? It depends upon various factors such as level of exam, vacancies, and competition level of the examination. Now, what we can do is, we can compare this exam with NIACL Assistant Exam, which was held on March 2nd in 2 shifts. So, as we go through the vacancies and cutoffs for this exam, we can clearly see a range of 88 to 95 marks with varying numbers of vacancies in all states. Now, this is NICL Assistant Vacancy List. The number of vacancies is different, but we can assume an expected cutoff between 87 and 95 in different states. This range is for unreserved category, for others, the marks will be lower or same. However, as I mentioned earlier, this cutoff depends on many factors. Therefore, some states may have cutoffs that are either lower or higher than anticipated. For example, check the vacancies in Mizoram and Goa. They both have only one vacancy, but when it comes to the cutoff, Mizoram has 69.25 and Goa has 80.75. So here it is about the competition level. So, that's why I said predicting the exact cutoff is not possible. While analyzing some data, we can assume a range of this cutoff. Similarly, in NICL Assistant, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh have one vacancy, so the number of applications and competition level will be the deciding factor for the final cutoff. So, we can expect the range of safe score from 87 to 95. But what about those who have attempted in the range of 80 to 85? Their chances for qualifying in phase 1 are less compared to others who expect to score 85 plus. But as I said earlier, the cutoff depends on many factors. Now, for those who are in the range of 80 to 85, do they need to start preparing for mains or not? The answer is yes. Because I am talking about the upcoming NIACL Assistant exam. The short notice was released, and the notification will be released soon. As we all know, the syllabus for both exams are same, so it's a win-win situation. So you should start preparing for the mains examination. Now, let's get into the mains preparation strategy. While going through the syllabus of these 2 exams, we can clearly see there is only one difference between them, which is the total mark distribution. In NIACL it is 1.25 mark per question, and in NICL it is 1 mark per question. Other than this, everything is similar. There will be sectional timing and sectional cutoff for each section. Now, let's move on to each sections in detail. First one is reasoning. These are the topics which was asked in NIACL Assistant Mains exam, and these are the other topics which may ask in the upcoming exam. You need not to practice any other topics than this, and the level will be same as the recent Union Bank of India LBO exam, also same as NIACL Assistant Manager Mains, so you can do either sectional or full-length mock of these exams too. Now, let's move on to quants section. As I said earlier, these are the questions asked in NIACL Assistant Mains, and these are the other topics which may ask. DI will be easy to decode, but with lengthy or tricky sub-questions, because it is mains exam, and there will be a CASLATE DI too. DI won't be arithmetic based, as we see in IBPS and SBIPO mains. Apart from this, a set of number series, either missing or wrong, will be asked, and a set of approximation or quadratic equation will be there, with remaining questions from arithmetic in the range from 10 to 15, or they will ask another set of DI. Now, let's move on to English section. Apart from these topics, which was asked in NIACL mains, these are the other topics to be expected. English can be a scoring subject, because level will not be too hard. Practice parajambal, close test, RC and error spotting well, because these are important topics, and fillers, word swap, phrase replacement and sentence rearrangement can be the scoring topics. If you're unsure about any question, be cautious, as the English section can lead to negative marking. The General Awareness section for NICL Assistant Mains is clearly structured and focuses on banking and financial awareness. Especially recent developments, 10 to 15 questions expected from these areas. Government schemes, science and technology, sports, national and international events are also important. Focus on last 3 or 4 months. Study with weekly PDF from any platform or from YouTube channels. I'll recommend PDF from Affair Clouds, Smart Kida, or from Study IQ by Gaurav Garg sir. And YT video suggestions will be Sheetal Sharma ma'am from Olive Board, Affairs Cloud YT channel, Kapil Katpal sir from Studinity, or Aditya sir from Guidely. Finally, in computer awareness section, important areas such as shortcut keys, MS Office, protocols, networking, computer memory, generation of computer needs to be covered, along with some other topics. But we don't have enough time to cover all these topics, so best idea will be watching marathon videos with Sachin Arora sir's YT channel, along with doing sectional mock of RRBPO and Clark. Okay, now let's talk about safe attempts in mains. As compared to NIACL Assistant Mains Cutoff, it will be in a range of 155 to 160, and if you score 160 plus, the chances of final selection are likely to be high. If you find our analysis helpful, stay connected by subscribing to our YouTube channel and hitting the bell icon to never miss the latest updates. You can also download this PDF from our Telegram channel, link pinned in comment section. Thank you.